Hello, welcome to Industrial Surplus. Today we're going to do a video demonstration of our reconditioned Blanchard model 1836 rotary surface grinder. It's a vertical spindle. Serial number is 5775, 36-inch diameter magnetic chuck, 18-inch diameter segmented grinding wheel. Grinding wheel speeds are 705 RPMs. Chuck rotation has 6, 9, 12, 18, and 33 RPMs. It has a newer Electro-Matic Neutrofier control, push button operator station, power elevation, automatic pick feed, wheel dresser, coolant. Machine weighs about 12,500 pounds, and there is maximum distance under a new wheel is 11 inches, although that looks a lot more.
Sure does. Those don't look like they're new though.
Why don't we get a tape measure?
Those segments look like they're...
Yeah, but still, that's a lot. We'll measure that before we leave here. And on this machine, we ended up having to rewind the motor. It's a brand new rewind motor, and at the same time we put new spindle bearings in there. That is ready to go. While we had the head off, we had the vertical ways rescraped. In addition to having the vertical ways rescraped, we took the table off and the saddle apart. Well, maybe it's right under a new wheel.
But it's about right.
Might be 11 inches. Right now we're looking at about 13 and a half. Okay. So we took the table off, took the saddle ways off, the apron, and we rescraped those ways as well. We also went into the table feed transmission box and went through that and made sure everything was in good shape. We'll go ahead and start that. Right now we're running at what, 12? 9 RPMs. Might as well start the spindle too, I guess. And we put a chunk of steel on there just to show that the chuck does work well. We're doing power elevating to lower the head, and we can go into a pick feed mode, automatic feed mode, which is set and regulated by this dial here. It can feed from 4 thousandths to 76 thousandths inches per minute, and this little knob here sets it at your stop, comes down to this point here, and will shut off automatically. What will happen at that point is it'll just spark out. We increase the feed rate so we don't take a ton of time here, but that'll stop. There it is, and it'll just spark out now. What else? You want to bring the table in, out, whatever motion we can get out of that?
All the way in. Out.
All the way out. And bring it out in again, please. Goes in. You can set up a stop dog inside this compartment here, which will set how much it goes under. Why don't we go through some table speeds so we can let everybody hear how that sounds.
Go the slowest. 6. 12. 18. 25. 33.
All right, and the grinding wheel is still running, right? Or did you shut that off?
Still going.
Still going. I'll just walk around the back side of the machine, show you the coolant. This is the table feed motor, in and out. Got the head elevation motor. Got the table feed drive here motor, and the coolant pump. This is the electrical panel. And the chuck control box. So that's our machine. We hope you have interest in it, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Okay, thank you very much.